Hey there, hackers! Guess what? I got a sign the other day. But there was a kind of a problem. The person that gave me the sign packed it into the box real well. In fact, too well. That kind of sucks. Now, there's a couple things I could do. One, I could call up the shopkeep, be like, yo, shopkeep, here's the problem. I'm not even gonna bother, because I know some basic soldering, and it's not really that difficult. So, you know, let's go ahead and see if I can figure out what the problem with this thing is, so that way when I flip the switch, the stupid thing will turn on. I just noticed something here. Blue, blue, blue. I'm not gonna show you my underwear. Wait, this just looks really terrible. I look like a communist with all the blue, you know, so hold on for a second while I try to find something that works out a little bit better. Terry Davis style, huh? Or, hold on with me. White guy surrounded by cornfields but thinks he's in the middle of the city and speaks Ebonics style. I just burped inside my mouth, that's weird. Or redneck style. Or just regular me style. So, yeah, let's just go to the desk now, you know, come on, who cares? Done. You can see is kind of this right here. This is a problem. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about right here. I think that this goes right here. Why? Look at that. See that? There. Right there. So that's what I'm going to be fixing. Alright, and let's just dip some more on there. This solder on to here. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Test the integrity of it. Very good and strong compared. Test the integrity of that. Okay, that's what I'm guessing where I should put it. Okay, now I just turn off the soldering iron. So now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this sucker around. And let's plug this in and see if I blow anything up. Alright. That's off switch. Oh, look at that. Cool. So I think that the problem with this came from this right here. Okay, moves in back and forth like that. And then by it moving back and forth, that puts stress on the connection points here, which caused it to disconnect, and you can even see where it's got some hot glue here. So I think that that's just what it was, is that it came loose. And I'm just going to go ahead and probably either put some tape up here to hold it, and then reinforce this maybe with some glue. Yeah. But, keep that from moving around too much. I'm just going to tape it right across there. Yeah, and that'll kind of hold this. Now we're done. I've obviously been hooking up some new stuff here. And hook it up there. It's kind of like that there. I'm just going to make it look pretty. Okay, that kind of works. Hook this along here in the background. Oh, I just bumped my buttocks. Yeah, so that's about it. I am not a soldering guy at all. I'm not even an electronics guy, but you know what, why not? It's just for the fun of it, and because, you know, I don't want to have to pay like another, like, you know, bunch of money. Hopefully that was helpful. Get into soldering. Don't burn the house down. Thanks for watching. And happy hacking. Hey, I'm the Fonz! I wish.